Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve verification bug on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve verification bug on problem, you should just go to settings. Here we go to click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you search about this window of Roblox and you click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps here you can turn off your phone and you will wait a moment, then you can turn on your phone again to fix any problem that you have on Roblox app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.